Welcome to Upgrade. Let's take a look at some of the products of CES 2025. One of my favorite things at CES 2025 was this desk. I fell in love with it. Not because of the pushing buttons, but the actual things that it can do in space environments. Because I have a lot of things around me, especially when I have two different monitors. This is a perfect thing for me. I fell in love with it, but the price was a little bit too much out of my league. So let's take a look at some of the features so you guys can see firsthand. Look at that part. So there's two buttons. There's one button on this side, one button on that side. One lifts, the other one brings the actual desk down. Oh, I like it. Perfect for space environments. So we have these buttons here. Charging station. So if you're a video editor, or maybe you want to get more space for your environment, two screens here. EcoHost. I see the bracket in the back. There's a space for two. You might be able to fit three. It looks like you can fit three, but in the center, you're gonna need another bracket in the back. Not bad. All right, we got different colors here. There's a brown one over here, so a black one, and then we have a white one further up out there, and it's smaller. So we're gonna walk to the white one. So on the white one here, it's I like that it has a bracket for holding out your desktop in the bottom in here. This is a perfect size for the environment of your location. And look at this. So for streaming, we got three monitors here. This is something that I am interested in. And of course, you got a Bria on the top. All right, we got an official count. It's 7,600 for this one. Weight on it? How much is the weight?
150 kilogram, that's going to be about close to 300 pounds.
300 pounds, okay. Space on the desktop to put it right there in the bottom is perfect, hanging in there, the stuff. That's where a lot of people have problems. They have that somewhere else, and this is perfect off the ground.